Well, when Eunice first joined us on the program, she said, I'd like to win a trip so that my mother can go along with me. Now, you've got Acapulco. You've got Calgary, Alberta. What else have you got? Did you win Hawaii?
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas. But you're not going to take Mom to Las Vegas.
Well, my mother loves Las Vegas more than I do.
Oh, is she a gambler also?
Oh, you bet. The nickel slots drive me crazy with her. She pulls those handles like...
She sits there all day, I bet.
All day
If she's
and
like
all
my
night.
mother, she will sit there for 8 or 9 hours. Come
Absolutely.
home with a sore
Yeah,
right arm
won't
and
move.
black fingers from all the coins.
Really black, yes.
All right, you ready to do this? I think you're going to win a car.
I hope so.
Okay, here we go. 15 numbered squares. 60 seconds on the clock for Eunice.
1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
No.
7, 3,
Yep.
8, 9,
No.
5, 6,
No.
4, 9,
Right.
10, 11,
No.
12, 8,
No.
5, 15,
Yep.
6, 12,
Right.
13, 8,
Yes.
10, 14,
No.
1, 14,
Yes.
2, 11,
No.
10, 2.
You got it. In just 51 seconds. Here comes Mom. Come on, Mom. You're going to be traveling and you're going to be enjoying a brand new car with your daughter. And here's the car she's won.
Eunice, you've just won this Volkswagen Fox GL 4-door sedan. Features a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder fuel-injected engine, 5-speed manual transmission and air conditioning, furnished by Volkswagen. The prize worth over $10,400.
So Eunice says, oh, look at that. Yes, $23,995. Mom says she doesn't want to go to Vegas because she was there last week. She'll go to Calgary or Acapulco. They'll work it out. We're coming back after this.
Oh, that's so great. I finally did it.
If there's a bustle in your hedgerow, don't be alarmed now. It's just a spring clean for the May Queen. Yes, there are 2 paths you can go by, but in the long run, there's still time to change the